Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the passionate world of Bizet Carmen, an opera that's captivating as it as controversial. And I've just finished watching their performance, and I would like to show you some clip of the performance I've watched. But first, what is the Carmen's opera? Carmen is an opera by George Bizet about a soldier Donce who falls for the passionate gifts. Carmen, he abandoned his duty and love for her, but she lost the interest and turns into a bullfighter. Consumed by jealousy, Donice kills Carmen in the end. The opera is famous for its dramatic story and iconic music like the Habanera and Florida song. And that is. And I will show you the page now. Wow, grabe. Hi guys, now we're done watching the performance, and I like to give some opinion and my observation about the performance of Carmen's opera. Carmen's opera evokes strong reaction for its bold portrayal and of passion, freedom and destructive love. Audience are captivated by Carmen's fears and independence and tragic fate, while also disturbed by Donose descent into obsession and violence. The opera's gripping emotion, realistic character, and unforgettable music leave a lasting impact, making it both powerful and tragic. And for the theme, the opera's Carmen delves into profound themes such as freedom, love, jealousy, and destiny. The protagonist, Carmen, embodies independence, fervor, refusing to be controlled by anyone. The opera illustrates how unstrained desire and possessive love can result in devastation. For the plot, for the plot, the tale of Carmen unfolds across four acts, which are essential to the storyline. Act 1. In Seville, a crowd of soldiers and locals gathers outside the tobacco farm. Carmen, a gibbs unemployed at the factory, sings and flirts with those nearby. A brawl erupts and Donose grabs her. He soon finds himself mesmerized by her charm. She expertly convinces him to assist her in fleeing, which ultimately leads to his downfall. Act 2. At an inn, Carmen encounters Escamillo, a renowned bullfighter who feels attracted to her. Donose returns following a brief imprisonment, but when commanded to resume his duties, he opts to ignore the order, and instead joins Carmen and the smugglers, forsaking his militarist responsibilities. And for the Act 4, in the mountain, Carmen begins to lose her attraction to Donose, whose jealousy intensified. Michaela reappears, urging him to go back home. Meanwhile, Carmen's affection start to turn towards Escamillo, escalating the love triangle and the tension. And for the Act 4, outside the Seville, the crowd cheers for Escamillo. Carmen arrives with him and openly declaring her love, and Donose makes one last attempt to confront her, begging her to return. When she denies his request, he fatally stabs her out of jealousy. And while the crowd continues to cheer for Escamillo, in the background, this shift from longing to obsession, which ends in tragedy, makes Carmen a captivating tale of love that concludes his disaster. For the character, Carmen, Donose, and Escamillo. And for the language, the opera is performed in French, enhancing its lyrical and romantic essence, even without grasping every word. The emotions are vividly expressed through the performance and tones. The subtitles assist in comprehending the dialogue and the poetic elements of the libretto. And for the music, the composition and the George Bizet are lively and memorable renowned pieces, such as the Habanera and Toreador. Songs are brimming with vitality and emotion. The music effectively applies the drama and give each character their distinct musical identity. And for the spectacle, the costumes, the set designs, and choreographer vividly represent 19th centuries of Spain. The vibrant dresses, authentic backdrops, and dynamic crowd scenes enhance the excitement and completely engage the audience in the narrative. The bullfighting sequence and the particularly striking visually. For the overall, Carmen is a masterpiece. It's a powerful and moving story with unforgettable characters, a captivating plot, and a stunning score. It must see for any opera lover, and even if you're not opera aficionado, I highly recommended this and giving it and I will like to recommend this to you and giving it a try and let you know this and let me know your thoughts in the comment below. Thanks for watching.